Welcome to Urban Informatics and Modelling. You're with Max, and in this video I will show you how to add geolocational metadata to photos and then how to upload them to Mapillary. So I've got the Mapillary uploader open and I've got a series of 360 degrees images that I took in Collingwood. I'm just going to dump that folder, drag and dump it there, and it will scan these images and it's going to come up with an error. You can see here it's got an error for each photo, and this is relating to the geotagging process, and the reason being is because there's no geolocational data in the photos. So if I click on them and go properties and under details, you'll see under GPS that there's no information. So I'm just going to cancel that. When you upload these, they load these files, so just make sure that you delete them. Okay, so I'm going to add the metadata to the images using Lightroom Classic. Make sure that you don't have just Lightroom, you need the Classic version. First thing I'm going to do is go File and import my photos. Select Check All, Import. I can see with the image selected that it's got the information on the side panel here, and under GPS I can actually type in some coordinates if I wanted to. That'd be a bit of a process to do for each one. Yeah, Lightroom links to Google Maps, and I can just type in the address. Basically all you need to do is zoom in on the map and drop the photo into position, and you can use your image viewer to navigate and help position, or you can use Google Street View. You have to be careful that they don't join, because Lightroom has a tendency to make them want to kind of locate into the one spot. You can see as I'm placing them in the right hand panel, the geolocational data is adding to them. Once you've done that, just run a check to make sure there's still one photo per point. Just keep them selected, right click and go export. In the settings you want to make sure that remove location info is not ticked, and I'll untick remove person info as well. Choose a file location, untick put it in a subfolder unless you wish to, and click export. Once they've uploaded, you can give them a check in their properties under their details, and they should have the GPS locations now. Now they're ready to upload to Mapillary. Once you're in the Mapillary uploader, make sure you select the account you wish to upload the photos to. Then drop and drag them in. If you still have a remaining error, you can check the number of the image. Make sure you select the account again, as it will default back to the original, and drag and drop once more. You can check to make sure that the sequencing is correct and hit upload. Once the upload is complete, select done. Then under your user you'll see that there's a series of photos been ingesting. That just means that Mapillary is running their own data scan across the images. It's usually a day for normal photos, but the 360 ones have taken longer in previous uploads. If you want to filter out any of the other images to show only 360 degrees, you can here. And you'll see the only 360 images in Melbourne have been done by us. That means there's lots of areas that we can contribute to. You'll see here these are the images that are ingesting. And although we can already see them, they won't be made public until they're fully scanned. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.